Hello, it's Stefana with Yoga Latte Fitness Studio. Well, at least it's my shoes. These are some of my favorite shoes, and every once in a while I love getting dressed up in a pretty little dress and pretty shoes just like these. However, if you are not prepared, it's real easy to fall on shoes like this because they're really not stable. And so I'm going to show you some wonderful exercises that you can do that will help strengthen your ankles and prevent one of the most common ankle sprains, the inversion, where the ankle rolls over the outside of the foot. I'm sure you've probably caught one or two of the very funny videos when girls are walking around and do that inversion where their ankles just collapse under them. Well, I think that we should be allowed to wear pretty shoes every once in a while if that's what we choose. But I'm going to show you how to actually wear them correctly and wear them in a way that you don't have to worry about getting ankle sprains. So let's do this. First of all, the feet are stable joints, so we need to be stable. But if we're only on a very small surface, it's hard to get stable unless we think about our feet having tripod, like a stool. So we want to think about having two legs here and one leg at our heel, right? So two legs at the top and one leg of the stool here. And if you have a three-legged stool and only two of the legs are on the floor, then you're going to be pretty unstable. But if you get all three of those points down and stable, then you've got a lot more stability. The first thing we're going to do is work on this movement where we know that the ankles will roll if we're unstable, but if we get really strong here and we develop the strength and then the functional range of motion and stability around the ankle joint, we're going to have a lot more of that stability that we're looking for. And this movement here also focuses on the muscles and tendons that will help prevent those that ankle inversion there. Okay, so very simply, we're going to invert our feet so that we're balancing on the outer edges of both feet. And then we're going to step forward. I'm going to do this from the back. We're going to step forward and position our body and our weight on the outside of the right foot. So it's going to result in the arch of our foot coming off the ground. So you can see that. My arch is coming off the ground. Okay? And then we want to step forward with the left and repeat the process where the arch is coming off the ground. So this is going to help strengthen all of the muscles down there, and that's what we want to do. So I'm going to show you another exercise. Very simple. We're going to do a toe walk. We're going to stand up on our toes. I want to have good posture. So in the rest of my body, I have good posture, good standing posture. I have good alignment. My shoulders are back. We're going to raise both heels and balance on the balls of our feet. We're going to step forward with the right and left, and we're going to push into the ground with the ball of your feet. Every time you push in, every time you step, you want to push in with the ball of your foot, okay? This is going to activate the contraction of the calf muscles, and that's what we're looking for. Is we want the strength also all the way around the ankle. All right, so the next one is, now we're going to step up. We're going to press into our heels. And this movement here, this heel walk, same thing, it's going to develop that strength and functional range of motion. And we're raising up, we're stepping forward, and we're pushing our body weight into the heel. Most important though is to always have good posture. You know, keep your shoulders back and your core strong. And that's going to help everything so that the scaffolding of your whole body doesn't collapse into those feet. All right, get those beautiful shoes out and try this.